Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to create a conditional column in Power BI. Select the Transform Data function icon from the Canvas ribbon to open the Power Query Editor. Now, we want to create a conditional column next to column 1. To do that, select Add Column from the top ribbon and then click on the Conditional Column icon. Then the conditional column window will pop up. I will name it as New Column. Then in the if statement, I will select column 1 data. I will have various options to use different mathematical operators. Here I will use equal to. Then specify the cell value. I will enter a and then I will enter output as 1. So, anytime Power BI find the value in dataset, it will create an entry of 1 in the new column. Similarly, we will replace the value of B with 2 and value of C with 3. Out column is now conditionally formatted into a new column. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Click on the link at your screen to learn to create an awesome dynamic dashboard in minutes. Check out other interesting videos on the BI Nerd. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BI Nerd.